is no longer a sanctum for children. The news of the sexual assault of 3-year-old in a well-known international school in Mumbai has rocked the city. The second standard child was allegedly raped between 1st and 4th of August by school's peon in the school toilet. Now, though the school authorities are yet to comment on the allegation, the police have registered a case under POCSO Act and the accused peon has been sent to police custody till the 11th of August. Now, parents meanwhile led massive protest outside Malad School yesterday, raging against the shocking incident.
रिक्शे में सेफ नहीं है, बस में सेफ नहीं है, स्कूल में सेफ नहीं है, छोटी बच्ची सेफ नहीं है तो हम कहाँ सेफ रहेंगे?
अभी हम भी डरे हुए हैं।
प्रोटेक्शन तो हमको ये प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए।
A 3-year-old allegedly raped in a reputed school in Mumbai. Her parents say the peon working for the reputed ICSE board school assaulted the child in the washroom of the school between August 1st and 4th.
Shocking incident of a sexual assault has come out of a suburban school in Mumbai, a posh suburban school in Mumbai, where a 3-year-old nursery child, girl child, was allegedly sexually assaulted. After the parents of the child raised an alarm and reached out to the police, the peon was nabbed. Police have booked the peon under the stringent POCSO, or Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. Meanwhile, parents of other students gathered this Tuesday outside the school and staged a massive protest. The parents have charged the school with negligence and have demanded the school management assure them of their child's safety in the school.
हमको ये चाहिए कि हमारे बच्चे कहाँ सेफ है? रिक्शे में सेफ नहीं है, बस में सेफ नहीं है, स्कूल में सेफ नहीं है, छोटी बच्ची सेफ नहीं है तो हम कहाँ सेफ रहेंगे? इसका न्याय चाहिए हमको।
अभी हम भी डरे हुए हैं कि एक छोटी बच्ची के साथ हुआ है। कल हम बच्चों को स्कूल में भेजेंगे, लड़के के साथ भी होता है, लड़कों के साथ भी होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि लड़की के साथ होता है।
बोलते हैं स्कूल के बाहर की हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, वैन की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, जो स्कूल के अंदर हुआ वो किसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है?
Parents understandably furious, but as more cases of child sexual abuse are reported from schools across India, on the urban debate, we ask, why have CCTVs not yet become compulsory in schools across the country? Why don't staff undergo comprehensive background checks? And why do schools take student safety so lightly? Mirror Now report.
Aditya joins me live now. Aditya, this is a shocking case coming out from the school.
Well, precisely this thing has been happened and it's shaken the whole area over here, because this school is not an ordinary, it's a very posh school located in the locality, and from yesterday itself the parents were protesting and agitating against the principal and the teachers as well. Till from morning itself, till the whole night the parents were there, and even from the morning itself there are police bandobast over here, and the parents have been joined us. Madam, ये बताइए कि आज आप लोग क्या करने वाले हैं और कैसे आज का आप करने वाले प्रोटेस्ट?
आज देखिए हमारा एक 10 o'clock पे गैदरिंग है, देन 11 o'clock पे हमारा मीटिंग है ट्रस्टीज के साथ में। देयर सेज की ट्रस्टीज को हम रखेंगे सामने आपके। कल तक तो कोई ट्रस्टी हमारे सामने आया नहीं था और हमें बेसिकली जस्टिस चाहिए। जो बच्चे के साथ ऐसा हुआ है उसको कंपनसेट प्लस उसको पूरा लाइफ टाइम एजुकेशन उसको स्कूल प्रोवाइड करेगा।
जिस तरह से ये मामला आया है कि हम कहते हैं कि जो बच्चियां हैं जो स्कूल में कम से कम सेफ है, तो स्कूल में भी सेफ नहीं है, तो आप इस पर क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मेरा कहने का मतलब यही है कि जो मेन एक्यूज है उसे पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया है, लेकिन जो बातें आ रही हैं कि ये जो घटना है वो पूरे मैनेजमेंट को मालूम थी और उसके इंसाफ ना मिलने के बाद पेरेंट्स वहाँ पे पुलिस के पास गए हैं, तो मैनेजमेंट पूरा दोषी है। इस बात को पहले मैनेजमेंट छुपाना चाहता था और फिर पेरेंट्स सामने से गए हैं इस मामले को बाहर लाने के लिए। पुलिस की हरकत में आने के बाद मैनेजमेंट हरकत में आया है, तो मैनेजमेंट ने कहीं ना कहीं इस मामले को छुपाने की कोशिश की है और अभी ये जो एक्यूज को गिरफ्तार किया है, सिर्फ एक एक्यूज नहीं है, डायरेक्टली वन एक्यूज, बट मेरे हिसाब से बहुत सारे एक्यूज है जो इसके पीछे भी है, जो इनडायरेक्टली बहुत सारे एक्यूज है, उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए और मैनेजमेंट सिर्फ और सिर्फ फीस कैसे बढ़ानी है, कमाई कैसे करनी है, वही सब चीज़ में ध्यान दे रहा है। और सेफ्टी के मामले में अभी हम हमारे बच्चों को किसके भरोसे इस स्कूल में छोड़े, वो हमें भी सरकार बतावे। मैं मुख्यमंत्री जी से ये निवेदन करना चाहता हूँ कि सिर्फ जो जिसके साथ में हुआ है उसको रियायती मत दो, लेकिन आगे का क्या है, इनको सबको ये सब क्यों हो रहा है देश में कि किसी को डर ही नहीं है इस बाबत का।
सर ये बताइए कि आप लोगों का डिमांड क्या है आज, मतलब क्या चाहते हैं आप लोग? प्रिंसिपल भी रेस्टिकेट हो या फिर टीचर भी रेस्टिकेट हो, क्या चाहते हैं?
सर हम चाहते हैं प्रिंसिपल रेस्टिकेट हो, जो प्लस जो टीचर्स थे वो रेस्टिकेट हो, प्लस जो आया थी वो सब उनको जो लेके गई थी इस बच्ची को वो उसको पुलिस पकड़े और सजा दे, जो जिसने किया उसको मौत की सजा होनी चाहिए, सजा फांसी होनी चाहिए उसको.
So you can just assure that there is a loss of anger within the parent because they want that even the teacher and even the female ward officer who was present over there should also get restricted from the school, and they are trying to meet the trustee, but from yesterday till night the trustee hasn't met the parents, and today at around 10 a.m. the trustee is going to meet the parents, and then the parents will decide what they have to do, because but lots of parents has been gathered over here, and there's a huge police bandobast over here because till yesterday till night the parents were there and they were protesting against the school. Back to you.
Aditya, now there's a lot of anger in the parents regarding this incident. What is the school authorities saying on this issue? The parents have been promised a meeting at 10 a.m. but they have been protesting there since last night. Any statement, any kind of help coming out from the authorities side? Any statement yet?
Well, as the police has been concerned, they have arrested the peon and has been sent to the PC till 11th August. But surprisingly, the school staff, neither the principal, neither the trustee is coming out to speak with the media, not even they are speaking to the parents itself. So the agitation till night was there that they wanted to meet the trustee, but till whole night, till 11 p.m., the parents were there and the trustee didn't came. Today morning, the trustee has assured the parents that they will come and will hold a meeting on that, and after that only they will decide what exactly they have to do. But as of now, there is no official anything from the school side.
They are saying that no official statement has come from the school side despite such a horrific incident happening within their premises. Now, are the parents pushing for CCTV cameras to be installed in all the places of the school so that the management knows what's happening? What are their demands as far as safety of children is concerned? Because most of the time kids are in school from 7 to 8 hours and parents do not know what exactly is happening within the school premises.
Exactly, the children who studies exactly is considered a second home, and even in the second home, the children are not safe. Let's talk to them. Sir, क्या आप लोग ये चाहते हैं कि जो स्कूल में जो है वो CCTV फुटेज लगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कुछ CCTV कुछ नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं?
डेफिनेटली CCTV फुटेज से ही पता चलेगा डेफिनेटली कहाँ पे, स्पेशली यहाँ पे बहुत लिमिटेड है and many of the CCTVs are not working also.
Okay.
So we are yesterday in the meeting itself we have suggested that CCTV footage should be there in every corridors, especially near the washrooms and everywhere, so that we get a real glimpse of what's happening, and the parents should get the link for those live link for those footage.
Why do you think the trustee is not meeting you? Because till last night
there is something fishy over here. That's the reason trustee is not meeting us. So definitely we want, and they have assured that they'll be meeting us today. Let's see that whether they'll be meeting us and working on our plans.
The peon has been arrested. Do you want the female peon has to be arrested because even she was involved as per the parents involved?
Definitely, it's not, the role is not played by the peon alone. There should be somebody behind that, and definitely there should be, that lady should be arrested.
Correct. So the demand exactly is that even the female peon and the teacher should be arrested, because this role is not only restricted to one person. Peon has been arrested, but they want more to be happen from the police side, because till now the trustee, neither the principal has come out to speak with the parents, because from tomorrow morning itself till late night the parents were agitating and protesting, and still the principal or the trustee didn't came out. This clearly shows that there is something wrong with the school authority, but today itself they have assured that they will meet the parent, and after that the parent will decide what exactly have to do with it. A 4-year-old girl has been sexually assaulted by a peon inside a gents toilet inside a posh college, a school in a locality of Mumbai. Here from yesterday itself the parents are agitating and protesting against the trustee and the principal because they are not meeting over here. Let's talk to the people over here what exactly the demand. Madam, आज कल से आप लोग यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, क्या मुद्दा है, क्या चाहते हैं आप लोग?
हम ये चाहते हैं कि सारे ट्रस्टीज यहाँ पर आए, हम सब पेरेंट्स की जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है वो सॉर्ट आउट करें, और जो वो कमिटमेंट करते हैं वो कमिटमेंट पे वो नहीं उतर रहे, तो वी वांट कि ऑल दी जितने भी ट्रस्टीज है सारे आए, जो भी उन्होंने कल कमिटमेंट किया था कि आज मीटिंग होगी, तो वो मीटिंग होनी चाहिए थी, क्यों नहीं हुई? रॉन्ग कमिटमेंट कर रहे हैं। हमारे बच्चों की सेफ्टी का क्या? हमें हमारी सेफ्टी चाहिए हमारे बच्चों की। ये आप 10 दिन बंद करेंगे, 15 दिन बंद करेंगे स्कूल, और आज पुलिस उनको सपोर्ट कर रही है, तो ये आज पुलिस हमारे सामने गेट भी नहीं खोल रही है।
बताइए क्या मामला पूरा है? आप लोग कल भी आश्वासन दिया, कल भी ट्रस्टी से मिलेंगे, आज भी 11 बजे दिया गया, आज भी नहीं आ पाया, क्या चाहते हैं आप लोग? मामला
एक्चुअली इश्यू ये है सर कि ट्रस्टी और पुलिस बोथ आर प्लेइंग गेम्स। Now the police is saying that they have called trustee और trustee ने ये बोला कि we have told PTA members to come and meet us at Garware Club at 5 PM. We have spoken to each and every PTA members. Everybody is saying that no one has got any messages. One parent has called directly to the trustee and trustee himself said that there is no meeting between the PTA members or school management, between school management and PTA members, and the school will reopen on the Monday and there will be meeting held next week. So who is lying? Is this the way? If this reputed school is trustee of the school is behaving this way, where the children will go? Unless and until there are strict action taken, this management will not change.